Welcome to Aishifying Vlogs. Hope everyone are doing great. So if you're watching my video for the first time, just take a moment and do subscribe to our channel Aishifying Vlogs because a lot more interesting content is on its way. And today's video is gonna be too much interesting because I'm going to give some Netflix recommendations to all of you guys. And it's not like some mainstream recommendations like Friends, etc. I mean, which we already know, which we already have seen. But this is different. I'm recommending you some most underrated series in Netflix, and I feel like not many people have seen that. So, without any further ado, let's get started into the video. So here comes to my first recommendation, a web series called Good Place. Actually, this is the best sitcom I have ever seen, and because the entire story drives out in a cool and breezy way, and the main theme behind the story is like due to some error, a girl arrives at a good place after her death, it seems, and how she tries to become a better person and all. This will surely gain us a aspect like personality development, so we can gain this quality from this show. And also the emotion, the direction, the comedy, everything was on the top notch, and it also bagged the best critics TV choice award for this show. Here comes to my second recommendation, a web series called The Last Dance. Actually, this Last Dance is actually a docu-series. So this docu-series is about Jordan timeline from a rising star in his school to the most famous basketball athlete. So this resulted in a beautiful journey and beautiful portrait of the most famous basketball athlete and a celebrated team also. And this is a must-watch docu-series because it has utmost story narration and driving out the emotions, and also it was a pinpoint, and it's a must-watch docu-series. So here comes to my third Netflix recommendation, a web series called Kota Factory. I hope most of you might be knowing about this, but in my opinion, this is the web series which didn't get enough deserved recognition for its content. And for sure, it will bring that nostalgic feel and it will take us to our college days. And actually, the story is behind a boy, 16 years old boy, who goes to a Kota and he starts his intermediate education over there. And we can see all the struggles that a student face in order to crack IIT. And also it also projects the real phase of the coaching institutions and all, and this will surely touches all of our hearts, and it's totally worth watch, and I really loved it. Here comes to my next web series recommendation, a show called Arkin. This is actually an animated web series. If you are an action lover, just don't miss this web series. And it is a wholesome entertainer which is packed with best emotion, best elevation, and tight screenplay with brilliant visuals and all. So actually, it's a wholesome entertainer. Just don't miss it if you are an action lover. So here comes to my next recommendation, a web series called Decoupled. So this is the most latest web series which is released in Netflix, and so in this web series, Madhavan plays a lead role, and along with Surveen Chawla. So this story is behind a couple who was on the edge of their divorce, and all the story will revolves between them. And my most important and favorite part of this series is Madhavan's character. It's too hilarious, and finally the entire story will drive out to a lot of controversies. So hence we have to watch it with an open mind, and it's a good entertainer though. Here comes to my next recommendation, a web series called Connected. So this is actually one more docu-series which I found very much interesting because in this a character called Latif Nazar, so he clearly explained the way how the human world is related to universe, or what are the things which are happening around us, so how these things are connected to the universe, and also he explains in a very keen way, and that is very much interesting, that will surely excite all of us. So it's a must to watch docu series, and it's a highly recommended docu series. Here comes to the another recommendation, a web series called Godless. This is actually a Western backdrop web series, and if you are into Western drama, then this is a perfect match for you. And also the plot development, episode by episode, you can see a different plot development. This will make the entire show more interesting, and this is a must-watch Western drama, and it's the best Western drama ever. To my next recommendation, a web series called BoJack Horseman. This is also the animated series, but it is not like a usual animated series. It has a different tint altogether, and also the story is regarding a humanoid horse and its surroundings, and we can find a goofy, hilarious humor in this, and also many life lessons, and also many inspiring quotes which will surely inspire us. Altogether this will makes us to think, and also it will makes us offensive at the same time. And so this is a wholesome entertainer, and it's must watch, and it's worthy. Next recommendations to all of you guys. I hope you will all like it, and if you haven't watched, just go watch and post the feedback in the comment section. And one more thing, there are many more interesting classics in Netflix like Friends and etc, but I haven't list those, or I haven't included those in my list because those are already known classics. All of us may be aware of it, and all of us have seen those, so I haven't included them, and I picked up only the web series which are more interesting and most underrated in Netflix. And if you haven't watched it, just go watch and post the feedback in my comment section. And also I didn't give any ratings to my recommendation because I don't believe in ratings. And one more thing, because every show is beautiful in its own way, it depends on the way how we see and how we take. So that is for today. I hope you will all like this video. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Aishifying Vlogs, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from my channel.